Bacon's rebellion took place in 1676 in the Virginia colony and was led by Nathaniel Bacon, a wealthy settler. The rebellion arose from growing tensions between frontier settlers, who were often poor or indentured servants, and the colonial government, led by Governor William Berkeley. Here's a quick overview of the causes and events. Causes of Bacon's rebellion. Native American relations. Frontier settlers faced frequent conflicts with Native American tribes as settlers encroached on their lands. When Native Americans attacked frontier settlements, Governor Berkeley hesitated to retaliate because he wanted to maintain profitable fur trade relations with native tribes. Economic hardship. Poorer settlers, former indentured servants, and frontier farmers were frustrated by limited economic opportunities, high taxes, and lack of land, which was increasingly monopolized by wealthy planters. Political exclusion. Virginia's government was dominated by elite landowners, leading to accusations of corruption and favoritism by poorer settlers who felt shut out of decision-making processes. Nathaniel Bacon, a recent arrival to Virginia and a member of the colonial elite, took up the cause of the frontier settlers, calling for protection from native attacks and more government action. When Governor Berkeley refused to grant Bacon permission to lead an attack against Native Americans, Bacon defied the governor and organized his own militia, composed mainly of poor settlers and indentured servants. The conflict escalated as Bacon's forces marched on Jamestown, Virginia's capital, where they clashed with government forces and ultimately burned the settlement to the ground. Bacon died suddenly of dysentery in October 1676, and the rebellion soon collapsed without his leadership. Berkeley regained control, and the British government sent troops to restore order. Bacon's rebellion is historically significant because class tensions. It highlighted growing class divisions between wealthy planters and poor.